Hello and welcome to this Golang video greeting tutorial. First, I'd like to talk a little bit about some simple math involving colors in Golang. So this whole program is basically checking for offsets of color. So I kind of arbitrarily chose the color yellow, which is the color we'll be converting into red in this video. So here's a yellow, and this will basically be on a specific number line, going from slightly less red to darker red, or slightly less color A to more of color B. So this can be viewed on a number line as a range of color to be selected and eventually changed to red. So here I have a couple of lines involving the particular background image that we'll be using for the greeting card in this video, which is this file here. So it just checks the file error and closes the file accordingly. And if you watch my previous video, you'll kind of be familiar with all this code here, except for this decode function, which is very simple. You just give it the file and get the image. So we're looping x is I and y is j. So this is the at function, which calls the RGBA method, which gives us our RGB values. And my last video was very simple, and I didn't talk very much, so I decided to do this offset calculating a little bit differently. So if this this value yellow r is greater than the value r, then we are guaranteed that this offset is never going to be negative. Okay, so if this condition isn't true, then we flip the order of subtraction, and then we get a positive R offset, a positive green offset, and a positive blue offset. So this if statement happens 3 times, basically, and it all builds up to this epic if statement, where we check all of the offsets according to this value off by, which happens to be set to 25. So that'll select a pretty wide range of yellows. And we're just setting this to red. So if you want to look at our greeting card, here's the background image that I was talking about. We're just going to build our program here. Alright, here's our new greeting card with a red background, converted in Golang. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and save me in your Watch Later playlist.